Hello everyone. So let's talk one topic, that is why devotional practice is required. Let's discuss on these things. Why devotional practice is required in our daily life. How it is going to benefit to you, how it is going to benefit to your society is required. If we are not going to do this kind of practice, what will happen? I will say what is the impact. If you don't practice, then you cannot create a good mind. You cannot have full of positivity in your mind. You cannot increase your focus level. You cannot increase your concentration level. So these are the very important aspects that you will be missing. So that's why devotional practice is required to maintain your lifestyle, to balance your lifestyle. It will give you the focus, it will give you courage, it will give confidence to you, it will give that kind of positivity to you. If you will be positive, then definitely all these things will be coming to you. If you are so positive, if you are doing the things, if you are doing your job, if you are doing your work by sharing, or you can say if you are doing your work with positive thoughts, then definitely you will get that pleasant result, you will get the amazing result. If you are doing something with full of tension, if you are doing something with full of stress, then what happened? You might not give the focus, you might not give, or you can say concentrate onto that particularly one. So your focus is not 100%. You will lose your attention, you lose your patience, you will lose all of those things. If you wanted to even develop your personality, then definitely this devotional practice will help a lot. So devotional practice is not something you will go to the jungle and stay and just live from the family. This is not the devotional practice. Devotional practice instrumental, or you can say develop, or it will help us to connect with the super soul, because we are the soul. Okay, so we need to connect with the super soul. We need to just think who has created this universe. We need to just thank you to God who has given everything to us. You might talk anything, oxygen, your daily livings, your daily food, what you are eating, what you are consuming. So it is created by the gods. You can say how? We are just paying the money and getting it from the markets? No, because wherever it is produced, wherever it is created, then definitely nature is helping. Without nature, nothing will be happening in this world. So nature, what is nature? It's really blessing of God. God has created this nature. We'll get the oxygen, we'll get the rainwater, we'll get everything. So all these things are really made by the God. So we should say thank you. We should say thank you to God. So that is the devotional practice. We should chant His name. You should chant Lord's name. That is the devotional practice. If you wanted to connect with Lord, then it is easy for you to be focused on your job. It is easy for you to concentrate particularly stuff. You can make a friendship with your mind. If you wanted to get massive results in your life, you have to just make a friendship with your own mind. You have to control your mind. If you are not able to control your mind, then you are controlled. You will be controlled by your mind. I don't want you should be controlled by your mind. Whatever you wanted to just give the signal, your mind should work based on your thoughts. If you wanted to do something, then your mind will help you. Your subconscious mind starts helping you. Your conscious mind will listen to you. So if you wanted to just control all of your subconscious mind, conscious mind, definitely this devotional practice will benefit for you. And how it is going to benefit to your society, to your family members, because where you are practicing, where you are doing, definitely your family members will look at you, they will even learn from you, and they can also implement all those things in their life, and also they will eventually get the positive, and they can even practice those things in their life. They can bring all those devotional things in their life. So that is what the benefits. I would rather say it is not only help to you, but it will help to your society, to your family members. So just start doing this devotional practice in order to get a massive change, in order to transform to yourself. At the same time, you can transform to the world. So let's start this devotional practice. Let's bring this devotional service in our life in order to get a positive and meaningful life. Hope you are agree with me and you can do it. So thank you for watching this content. We'll again bring up with new topic. Till then, goodbye. Cheers. Thank you.